Now we are discussing about metal business. In that today we are discussing about Pro Start, a locksmith company. Locksmith company is indeed a profitable venture to start up. Most first acquire the required training and then work as an apprentice for a while before applying for a locksmith license. Locksmiths provide essential services such as cutting keys, re-key locks, repairing old locks, helping people gain access to their cars, houses, and offices when they misplace their keys, helping people unlock their safes when they forget the code combinations, and helping people install the locks. And next point is locksmith business is considered to be a small scale business, but it is regulated by the government to ensure that criminal elements don't take advantage of people. There are various aspects you are specialized in as a locksmith. You can specialize as a residential door locksmith, automotive locksmith, or a safes and security locksmith. And next point is how much does a locksmith company make? An average locksmith salary, it is probably anywhere between $40,000 to $60,000 a year. Then you have people that provide emergency services, technicians that work at night will make a substantial amount more, probably double if the company has enough work to provide. And next point is how to start a successful locksmith business. Write a business plan, investigate the legal requirements of the state you want to practice in. Practice, choose your locksmith specialization, find a location, decide whether to go mobile or brick or mortar. Research what tools and equipment you will need. Determine your organization's structure. And next point is it is easy to be a locksmith. Locksmiths work on securing things, not just locks. I have found to be exceedingly easy to find work as a locksmith, although working for a company as an employee generally doesn't pay great. It depends on where you live and how many businesses are in the area. But having experience makes it pretty easy to find work. And next point is where can I buy locksmith tools? Dedicated online locksmith tools sites have all the uncommon supplies and tools you need to get the job done. Locksmith pickup shop, lockpick shop, lockpicks.com and Southard is there. And CLK supplies, American Key Supply, Lockpick World, and ProLock, McDonald Dash. These are the locksmith tools. And the next point is what a locksmith needs to know. Residential locksmiths are only legally permitted to unlock a house or a car or someone who is authorized to be there, such as the owner or a renter. The simplest way is to ask for standard ID document such as a driver license showing the residence address or an insurance with the vehicle's VIN on it. And next point is how do locksmiths verify ownership? Residential locksmiths are only legally permitted to unlock a house or car for someone who is authorized to be there, such as the owner or renter. The simplest way is to ask for a standard ID document such as a driver's license showing the residence address or an insurance card with the vehicle's VIN on it. This is the information regarding locksmith company. Locksmiths are also must for every door and home and house also, and so many ways it will be useful. It is safe and secure, so you can make it or produce it or market it also by according to your capability of capital investment and all these. So it will be useful and profitable also. Wishing you all the best.